Another day, another English lesson. 2 Uses of the verb, expect. Hello everyone. When we use the verb, expect, we're talking about what we believe or think will happen in the future. Today, we're going to look at 2 common ways to use expect in sentences. 1. Subject plus, expect, plus, that, plus, will, clause. This pattern is useful when you want to say what you think will happen or what you believe about a situation. Example 1. The teacher expects that the students will complete their homework on time. Example 2. The manager expects that the new software will improve productivity. In conversation, you don't need to say that. 2. Subject plus, expect, plus object plus infinitive. This pattern is used when you want to say what you think another person or thing should do or what you believe they will do. Example 1. The manager expects the team to present their ideas at the meeting. Example 2. The coach expects the players to improve their skills before the next game. Now watch and complete the sentences. If the first sentence uses subject plus, expect, plus, that, plus, will, clause, change it to the subject plus, expect, plus object plus infinitive structure and vice versa. One A. The coach expects them to practice every day. 1B. The coach expects that they will practice every day. Two A. The event organizers expect that the concert will start at 7 p.m. 2B. The event organizers expect the concert to start at 7 p.m. Three A. Mark expects his friends to help him to move. 3B. Mark expects that his friends will help him to move. Four A. John expects that his package will arrive by Friday. 4B. John expects his package to arrive by Friday. Five A. The teacher expects that the students will behave in class. 5B. The teacher expects the students to behave in class. Six A. The teacher expects the students to read the big book. 6B. The teacher expects that the students will read the big book. Seven A. She expects that the weather will be sunny tomorrow. 7B. She expects the weather to be sunny tomorrow. Eight A. The boss expects the workers to finish the project soon. 8B. The boss expects that the workers will finish the project soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for notifications.